The secret to beautiful makeup on mature skin in 2025 starts long before you reach for your foundation. Hydration is your best friend. As skin matures, it naturally becomes drier and thinner, making a well-prepped canvas absolutely essential. Begin your routine with a hyaluronic acid serum to deeply hydrate, followed by a rich moisturizer that locks in moisture and plumps the skin. Do not skip primer. A silicone-based primer, like the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, is a cult favorite for a reason. It blurs texture, smooths fine lines, and ensures your makeup lasts all day without settling into creases. Matte foundations are officially out for 2025. Instead, the focus is on radiant, hydrated skin. Opt for skin tints or luminous finish foundations that enhance your natural glow rather than masking it. Top picks include Armani Luminous Silk, Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint with SPF 40, and the affordable ELF Halo Glow Liquid Filter. For the most seamless application, use a damp beauty sponge. Gently bounce the product onto your skin rather than dragging it, which helps achieve a soft, focused, airbrushed finish that looks fresh and youthful. Heavy concealer can accentuate fine lines, especially under the eyes. The trick is to use a lightweight formula and apply it only where you need coverage, such as dark circles or redness, before your foundation. Dot a small amount and blend lightly, avoiding the temptation to layer. Some of the best concealers for mature skin in 2025 are NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and Kosas Revealer Concealer, which is packed with skincare benefits. This approach keeps your complexion looking bright and natural, never cakey. Powder blushes can sometimes dull your glow, but cream blushes bring it right back. Cream formulas melt into the skin, creating a dewy, youthful flush. Apply cream blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend upward toward your temples to lift your features. Trending favorites for 2025 include Rare Beauty, Soft Pinch Liquid Blush, RMS Lip to Cheek, and Tower 28 Beach Please Blush Balm. Choose warm tones like peach, coral, or soft rose for an instant brightening effect that makes your complexion come alive. When it comes to eye makeup for mature skin, less truly is more. Shimmery shadows can settle into fine lines, so opt for matte or soft cream shadows in neutral tones. To define your eyes, smudge a dark brown liner along the lash line for subtle definition without harshness. Finish with a volumizing mascara such as Dior Show, L'Oreal Telescopic, or a tubing mascara that resists flaking and smudging. These techniques open up the eyes and create a lifted, refreshed appearance without emphasizing texture. Dry matte lipsticks are a thing of the past. In 2025, lips should look hydrated, full, and plush. Reach for tinted balms, peel-off lip tints, or creamy satin formulas that provide all-day color without drying out your lips. Fan favorites include Fenty Slip Shine, Clinique Almost Lipstick, and EILF Hydrating Core Lip Shine. To prevent feathering, softly line your lips and add a pop of gloss to the center for extra dimension and a youthful, healthy look. Setting your makeup does not mean caking on powder. Instead, use a finely milled translucent powder only on oily zones like the T-zone. Then, lock in your look with a glow-boosting setting spray. Top choices for 2025 include Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, Pat McGrath Divine Skin Mist, and Urban Decay All-Nighter in its dewy finish version. This combination keeps your makeup fresh, radiant, and in place all day. While your hands are great, the right tools make all the difference for mature skin. Use a beauty sponge for foundation, a soft angled brush for cream blush, and a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend shadows seamlessly. Clean tools are crucial for better application and healthier skin, so wash them regularly to avoid buildup and irritation. Makeup artists around the world agree. Mature skin looks its best when you focus on glow, hydration, and simplicity. Charlotte Tilbury, Lisa Eldridge, and Wayne Goss all recommend using less product and perfecting your technique. With the latest beauty technology in 2025, there are more products than ever designed specifically for mature skin, so you can feel confident and radiant at any age. Your beauty has not faded. It has evolved.